Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what you need: your voter ID, a proof of new address, and one government photo ID. Once done, check that the address on the proof exactly matches the new address you want on the card. Make sure the document dates fall within required validity, typically recent bills or agreements. Now locate your voter ID number and the current polling area. These details speed up forms. Keep photocopies ready so you can upload or submit without delays. You now pick whether to update online or in person. If online, log into the Election Commission portal or app, find the address change form and upload scan proofs. If offline, visit the electoral office and get the same form. While filling, enter your voter ID number, new address, and contact phone, attach clear scans or hand over originals. Once submitted, you receive an acknowledgement number. Note it. This is your reference, while verification and field checks proceed over the coming weeks. You finish by tracking the application using the acknowledgement number through SMS, email, or the portal. Once approved, either download the eVoter ID or collect the physical card. Verify the new address immediately to avoid future issues. If you see delays or rejection, make sure documents match exactly. Then contact the local electoral office with your acknowledgement number and copies. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification fails, resubmit corrected proofs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.